Today you're watching Unified Bowling, which is the newest sport that CASA has endorsed. Unified Bowling is for special education students and regular ed students, and it's a CASA sanctioned event, which means that they can have a state championship. You can letter. It's like any other sport.
So our typical bowlers that are not unified bowlers bowl in the same format that we do. It's called the Baker format. So instead of each person bowling individually, we bowl as a team. So it's almost like the score is all one big person, but there's four of us bowling, and that promotes some teamwork. Where maybe you might see things that are a little different than our non-unified bowling is the pace might move a little bit differently. I think we get more excited about getting any pins down. I think our teamwork is maybe a little stronger sometimes because we really do work as a team. You'll see the use of assistive technology, things like ramps or having a coach actually on the wood with a student.
It's competitive and I like it. It's very challenging to compete within the schools.
You try to get to know each other, like on a personal level, not just as, people that bowl. And we come together in that way and we support each other and try to motivate each other to do the best we can.
And so the fact that we're involved in lots of clubs, groups, and organizations within the school kind of lets people get used to the idea that people with intellectual disabilities exist as part of our community. And it's just an opportunity to recognize the individuality of all students and to feel comfortable with that even when they're long past graduated.
It takes a lot of people to make this work, and the local bowling alleys have been absolutely outstanding. They've been all in, they've been 100% cooperative, they've done anything that we've asked them to do. You can't do it without that.